Okay. All right, here we go. Woo! Emily here. It is a one-woman show. We're about to run through a photo shoot of the brand new Aloe OHNUT. Woo! That looks terrible. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Woo! If I could just have someone miraculously stretch these in front of the camera, that would be great. This is an attempt. Hi everyone, Emily, founder here. This is an attempt at a hand photo shoot in isolation of our brand new Aloe OHNUT. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna slide under this table. Okay, good. All right, here we are. We have ourselves I'm gonna do that more gracefully.